Tired of endless logins and clunky connections between your favorite financial apps? Plaid can solve that. In this video, we'll show you how to sign up with Plaid, making connecting your bank accounts secure and simple, in just a few easy steps. First, head over to Plaid.com in your web browser. While Plaid doesn't have a direct sign-up for individual users, you'll automatically create an account when you connect your bank through an app that uses Plaid. For this example, let's use a popular budgeting app. When you're prompted to link your bank account, you'll likely see the Plaid interface. This is where the magic begins. Now, search for your bank. In the search bar, Plaid supports thousands of institutions, so yours should be there. Select your bank from the list. This will take you to a secure login screen. Enter your online banking username and password, just like you normally would when logging into your bank's website. Plaid uses top-notch security measures to protect your credentials. You might be prompted to complete multi-factor authentication. Enter the code sent to your phone or email. This is an extra layer of security to keep your account safe. Next, you'll see a list of your accounts at that bank. Select the accounts you want to connect to the app. Review the information and confirm your selections, and that's it. You've successfully linked your bank account using Plaid. Plaid will securely manage the connection between your bank and the app, allowing for seamless data transfer. Enjoy the convenience and security of Plaid. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.